Hi, how are you? Kevin Murphy here. I'm going to talk to you today about our brand new exciting Hydrate Me Wash and Rinse. Now, essentially, who it's for, it really is for hair that lives in a very sort of dry environment, or hair that's been, what would we say, mechanically damaged from using too many heated appliances. Think of it as a hair concealer. So what it does is it covers up damaged hair. Your hair can still be damaged, but what it does is it seals the damaged hair. I've used ingredients that are in high-end skincare, and these ingredients were the ones that are supposed to minimize the fine lines and wrinkles. So what's in it, you might ask? So probably our main ingredient is the Kakadu plum. Now the Kakadu plum, indigenous to the Northern Territory of Australia, has been wild harvested, and the Kakadu plum has probably more vitamin C or more antioxidants than any known plant on the planet. It also contains sunflower seed oil. The sunflower seed oil acts as a natural sunscreen on the hair. Contains evening primrose oil, and what evening primrose oil does is it is a powerful antioxidant, and the evening primrose oil is actually hydrophilic, meaning that it actually draws moisture from the air around you. So it's very good for people who live in very dry climates because it actually sucks sort of moisture in. And one of the benefits of this product is that you stop your hair from losing more moisture, and that's really important. So the wash is very gentle. Now I'd recommend this for maybe sort of fine to medium heads of hair. I wouldn't really be doing it on very sort of coarse, thick heads of hair, but it's really good for fine and medium. Like, I have used it on thick heads of hair, and it is actually really nice. But it's especially been formulated for fine to medium. And it is for very damaged, dehydrated hair that cannot be repaired, or hair that, you know, when you go to the hairdressers and you've been growing your hair for a year and a half, and he says, oh, we need to cut off 6 inches, and you go, oh no, but I've been growing my hair for so long. So in those cases, when you think that you've got to go and get your hair cut, you don't really want to cut 6 inches off your hair, as your hairdresser advised to. In this case, you won't really have to do it. So this shampoo is great for that hair that cannot be repaired, or the hair has sort of gone too far gone, but you still want to keep it. So the shampoo and conditioner also contains jojoba esters. Now, this is the smallest part of the molecule, and jojoba, being very much like the natural oil that your body produces, will stop the hair from having split ends and stop the hair from tangling. So the ester, being the smallest part of the molecular structure, absorbs straight into the cortex of the hair and stops hair from becoming split and stops hair from being constantly tangled. So that's a very, very, very good ingredient. We also have vitamin C, which actually prevents hair loss and actually makes your hair hold on to its color, and vitamin A, which will make the hair stronger as well. So we like to use quite a lot of the product. I mean, we've got long hair here, so I mean, this is not a great deal, but that is enough to actually completely make the hair smooth and soft. So we're going to go through and massage that, mainly sort of through the ends and the mid-lengths, but anywhere where the hair is really, really dry. Going to massage that straight through. The best thing is you can get it on the scalp, because it is really good to get these nice essential oils, ingredients. It's very good to get the Kakadu plum onto the scalp because of its antioxidant properties. Now, again, you want to think of this as a hair concealer. So this is for hair that is naturally dry, like hair that doesn't really hold on to the moisture. So don't be afraid to use it on a daily basis. And it will not weigh the hair down, but it is for really sort of damaged hair that cannot be repaired. So think of it as hair that's actually beyond repair. So hair that is naturally dry or in a very dry environment. It's probably our most sort of cosmetic product in the range, but the ingredients that we use are completely water soluble, and they are found in high-end skincare. So we've actually adapted skincare to hair care.